is up, YouTube, and everybody watching YouTube right now. And today we are doing an unboxing. Okay, get that out of the way. Review in the future and of this video, and we're doing a review on the cam microphone. Yeah, and I'm not sponsored. No, not a review. It's an unboxing of this microphone. Review will come later if you want one. So unboxing it. Be straightforward. Hopefully I don't have to. Oh, wow. So easy. I did not open this yet. And let's see what we have in here. First off, I just want to safely remove this. And we do have a pretty long, decent cord. And the microphone. Now, when I'm doing podcasts, this would be amazing for podcasts. Like, so amazing. Like, that'd be so cool. And then I could. Now, you're thinking how I plug it into the device. What you do is you use this. Connect this to the device, and then you connect this. Ah, it has a little cover on it. See? Little tiny cover. Now you got the cord. Wait, why don't these lights work? I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Now does this come in with instructions? Instructions. And it does not come with any instructions. Thank you for that. And I know this comes right off. I just want to leave that on there. Because it looks cooler. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to plug this into my device. See if it'll work. Now, I'm not sure. I just have to untangle this. Now, I think this is going to be an unboxing and a review at the same time. I'm not really sure. Pretty long, decent cord, if I do say so myself. I mean, it's not super long, but what I would suggest doing is taking this off. And now, wait, what? They're both the same. It's not letting me. Wait, what? It's not letting me plug it in. I think I have the wrong USB. Definitely cannot plug. I was really hoping that this would work. Look, guys, it's not working. Why? Just why? Just why? Okay. Now, why? Well, I'm gonna have to do some research. Maybe I just totally did it wrong. And I don't think this is even fitting. Don't know what. No, it's not right. I thought. Okay, well, I guess this is it for the unboxing. You get the mic and the cord, and you don't get this, but this is pretty much all you get, and the lights are not working. I do not know why, and this is the recording volume. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye.